Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I got some two-train locomotives, one steam, one locomotive. I got a new Norfolk Southern train. It's an SD70 CES. I'm not sure if that's it or not, but please subscribe to this video too. I'll probably make a video this coming Thursday or Sunday with the Norfolk Southern train. I'll give you everything. It'll be brand new. It came from the factory. I had to order it, so yeah. So just wanted to let you guys know a little bit what's going on, and that's really all. Enjoy the video. Oh, and I'll be running it on this remote. I think you guys seen it already, but if you haven't, there it is. Now enjoy the video. Well, that's really all, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be posting a new YouTube video on Thursday or Sunday. So I'll see ya. Please subscribe to this video.